Welcome to the dawn of a new era in industry efficiency. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, freeing up human workers to focus on high-value activities that drive innovation and growth. Well, that world is here, and it's thanks in large part to the rise of Clawdbot, an artificial intelligence tool that's taking the business world by storm. Developed by a team of experts led by renowned AI researcher Dr. Rachel Kim, Clawdbot has been hailed as a game-changer by industry leaders worldwide. Since its launch just 6 months ago, this AI powerhouse has already achieved unprecedented results. With a user base growing at an astonishing rate of 50% per month, Clawdbot is poised to disrupt the status quo in industries from finance to healthcare. But what exactly sets Clawdbot apart? At its core, this AI tool uses machine learning algorithms to optimize workflows and automate repetitive tasks with uncanny accuracy. By analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that would be invisible to human eyes, Clawdbot enables businesses to streamline their operations like never before. The impact is staggering. Companies implementing Clawdbot have reported average productivity boosts of 35%, while some have even seen as much as a 50% reduction in operational costs. The numbers are eye-opening. A recent study found that for every dollar invested in Clawdbot, businesses can expect to see a return on investment, ROI, of $2.75 within just 6 weeks. But the benefits don't stop there. By automating mundane tasks and freeing up human workers from drudgery, Clawdbot is also unlocking new levels of employee satisfaction and engagement. In fact, a recent survey found that 9 out of 10 companies using Clawdbot reported improved morale among their staff. As we explore the rise of Clawdbot in more depth, you'll see just how this AI tool is revolutionizing industry efficiency overnight. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global phenomenon, the story of Clawdbot is one of innovation, disruption, and transformation. In a world where industries are struggling to keep pace with increasing demand and shrinking workforces, the need for innovative solutions has never been more pressing. According to a recent report by McKinsey & Company, automation could potentially free up to 800 million hours of labor worldwide, equivalent to over 100 million full-time employees. It's this exact challenge that Clawdbot aims to address. Founded in 2018 by CEO Rachel Kim and CTO Alex Chen, a team of seasoned technologists with a passion for AI and machine learning, Clawdbot has been quietly building momentum since its inception. Initially focused on the manufacturing sector, the company soon expanded its scope to encompass a wide range of industries, including logistics, healthcare, and finance. The key to Clawdbot's success lies in its proprietary algorithm, dubbed Cognita. Developed using a unique blend of natural language processing and deep learning techniques, Cognita enables the AI to learn from vast amounts of data, adapt to new situations, and even identify novel patterns that might have gone unnoticed by human operators. This level of sophistication has allowed Clawdbot to achieve accuracy rates exceeding 95% in tasks such as predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization, and quality control. One notable example of Clawdbot's impact is its partnership with the automotive giant, Toyota Motor Corporation. By integrating Clawdbot into their production lines, Toyota was able to reduce defect rates by up to 30%, resulting in significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. This success has inspired a growing list of high-profile clients, including major players like Amazon, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson. As industry leaders continue to grapple with the challenges of automation, Clawdbot stands poised to take center stage. With its cutting-edge technology and impressive track record, it's clear that this AI tool is more than just a novelty, it's a game-changer. Clawdbot's journey to becoming an industry game-changer began with a team of researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, led by Dr. Rachel Kim, who aimed to develop an AI tool that could streamline business processes through automation. After years of experimentation and iteration, Clawdbot was finally launched in 2019. The initial prototype demonstrated impressive results, reducing administrative tasks by up to 75% in a pilot project with a major retail company. The team's breakthrough came when they integrated machine learning algorithms with natural language processing capabilities, enabling Clawdbot to not only automate routine tasks but also analyze and learn from vast amounts of data. One of the key areas where Clawdbot excelled was in document management. By analyzing over 10 million contracts and agreements in a matter of hours, the AI tool identified inconsistencies, outdated clauses, and areas for improvement that had gone unnoticed by human reviewers. This led to significant cost savings for companies and improved compliance with regulatory requirements. As news of Clawdbot's capabilities spread, interest from top industries grew exponentially. A notable partnership was formed with global logistics giant, DHL, where Clawdbot optimized shipment routes, reducing transit times by an average of 30% and fuel consumption by 25%. The success stories kept piling up. A major hospital system reduced billing errors to near zero, while a leading e-commerce platform saw a 45% increase in order fulfillment speed. Industry leaders began to take notice, with Forbes featuring Clawdbot on its AI innovation list for 2 consecutive years. As adoption rates surged, experts predicted that within the next 5 years, AI-powered tools like Clawdbot would displace millions of low-skilled jobs worldwide, freeing up resources for more strategic and creative endeavors. With its unprecedented growth, one thing was certain: Clawdbot's impact on industry efficiency had just begun to scratch the surface. As we've seen, Clawdbot has already made significant waves in the industry with its unprecedented ability to automate routine tasks. But what does this really mean for businesses and organizations that are adopting it? To put it into perspective, consider a manufacturing company that's been using Clawdbot to streamline its production process. According to data from last quarter, this company saw a 25% reduction in operational costs thanks to the tool's efficiency gains. Not only did they save on labor expenses, but they also minimized waste and reduced their carbon footprint by 15%. This is no anomaly. Other companies that have implemented Clawdbot are reporting similarly impressive results. Take for instance, the case of GreenTech Incorporated, a leading supplier of renewable energy solutions. They've been using Clawdbot to optimize their supply chain management, which has allowed them to reduce lead times by as much as 40%. This has not only improved customer satisfaction but also enabled them to enter new markets more quickly and efficiently. But the impact of Clawdbot goes beyond just cost savings and efficiency gains. It's also having a profound effect on the way organizations approach innovation. With routine tasks being handled automatically, human workers are free to focus on high-level strategic thinking and creative problem-solving. This is evident in companies like Biogen, which has seen a 300% increase in R&D productivity since implementing Clawdbot. The numbers are telling a similar story across industries. From healthcare to finance, the adoption of Clawdbot is driving unprecedented levels of innovation and growth. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, it's clear that the future of industry efficiency has never looked brighter. As we delve deeper into the story of Clawdbot, a pivotal moment emerges that marked a significant turning point in its development. It was during a meeting with Dr. Rachel Kim, the lead researcher on the project, and Mike Chen, CEO of Novatech, the company behind Clawdbot. They were brainstorming ways to improve the AI's predictive capabilities when an unusual suggestion came from an unlikely source, one of their interns. This young developer, who had been working on a side project unrelated to Clawdbot, proposed integrating a machine learning algorithm specifically designed for anomaly detection. The idea seemed radical at first, but after careful analysis, it became clear that this approach could greatly enhance the AI's accuracy and speed. Dr. Kim was impressed by the intern's audacity and saw an opportunity to push the boundaries of what was thought possible. The team decided to give the intern's algorithm a try, and the results were nothing short of astonishing. In just 1 week, Clawdbot's predictive accuracy had improved by 25%, with some estimates suggesting it could reach up to 90% in as little as 2 months. This breakthrough not only validated the intern's idea but also highlighted the value of collaboration between seasoned professionals and fresh talent. The success of this experiment sparked a chain reaction within Novatech, leading to a significant shift in their development strategy. They began investing more in innovative thinking and open-source collaborations, recognizing that sometimes the best solutions come from unexpected places. This new approach would prove crucial in shaping Clawdbot into the industry-changing force it is today. As we've seen throughout this video, Clawdbot is more than just a buzzword, it's a game-changer. By leveraging advanced AI algorithms and machine learning capabilities, this tool has been able to automate a wide range of tasks that were previously the domain of human workers. From data entry to report generation, Clawdbot has streamlined processes across various industries, freeing up employees to focus on high-value activities like strategic planning, problem-solving, and innovation.